Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Take this moment to be still, breathe deeply, and connect with your inner calm. As you settle into a comfortable position, gently close your eyes and allow yourself to relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your lungs fill with fresh, soothing air. Slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Let's take another deep breath in and exhale, letting go of any worries or distractions. Now, bring your attention to the present moment. Feel the weight of your body, resting on the ground, supported by the earth beneath you. Notice how the air feels as it moves in and out of your body, how your muscles begin to soften and relax. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a warm, calming light at the center of your chest. This light represents peace, clarity, and balance. With each breath, see this light grow brighter, expanding gently throughout your body. Breathe in and let that peaceful light fill your heart. Breathe out and allow any negativity or stress to dissolve. In this moment, you are exactly where you need to be. There is nothing to rush, nowhere to go. Just you, your breath, and the soft rhythm of calmness within. As you continue breathing, notice any thoughts that may come into your mind. It's okay to observe them, but don't engage. Let each thought drift away like a cloud passing in the sky. You are here to focus on your inner peace, on this quiet space within yourself. Allow yourself to sink deeper into this feeling of tranquility. With each exhale, feel yourself letting go of any tension in your body, starting with your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Let everything soften. Now, visualize yourself standing at the edge of a calm, serene ocean. The water is smooth and inviting, reflecting the soft colors of the sky. Each wave that gently rolls in is like a breath rising and falling in perfect harmony with you. Take a moment to absorb this peaceful scene. Feel the cool breeze on your skin, the sound of the waves as they move gently toward the shore. You are completely safe, completely at ease. As you stand here with the ocean stretching out before you, allow yourself to release any heaviness or tension you've been holding. Imagine the waves carrying away your stress, your worries, and as the tide pulls back, you feel lighter, more free. Now, take a deep breath in and affirm to yourself, I am at peace. I am calm. I am connected to my inner clarity. Exhale and let go of any lingering tension, knowing you can always return to this place of peace whenever you need it. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretching your body as you return to the present. When you're ready, softly open your eyes, carrying the sense of inner peace and calm with you for the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey of relaxation and clarity. Remember, this peace is always within you, ready to guide you through any moment. If you enjoyed this meditation, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Guided Meditation Voyage. Namaste.